Windows for important setting. Number one, privacy setting. Number two, notification. Number three, security setting. And the number four, performance. Let's start. Explain one by one. First of all, number one is privacy setting. Disable ad tagging. Go to the setting, privacy, general, and then off option like let's app use advertising ID, location service. If you don't need the location service, turn off them. Okay, let's see now. We skip how to do that. First, Windows icon click, go to setting, make it big. When you come setting, you go privacy. After that you go general. Already have it general. This general in setting. If you need on, you can on it. Second one, go back. Click privacy. Then click on location. If you don't like to share your location, you just off these devices. Location for these devices on change. You can click here change. Here also you can change as a default. Whatever you like, you can just do it. But better you off your location. This off. After that nobody can track you. If you on this location, somebody can track you. So better we off it. Okay. Now we go number 2, notification setting. Setting. After then go system. Notification action. Notification and action. Click here. After you see which notification you want, which notification you don't want. You just check it out and it will be okay. Okay. Number 3. Now security check. Update and security we click. After that we go left side. Windows update. The Windows already updated. Click here. The virus and threat protection. Check your activities. Windows security come here. Security. This virus and threat protection. It should be on. Account protection. It also should be on. Firewall and network protection. This also should be on. Device security is also on. That's all. Number 4. Now we go number 4. Click start out Windows. Click setting. After that you go apps. After that you go start up. Click start up here. When you boot your PC, then these all app will be appear on the screen. If you don't like to appear, this app appear on screen, you just check in, check out, off or on. If you want on, if you don't want, you make it off. That's all. Now second is power setting. You go one step back, you click the system. After that you go power and sleep, left side, power and sleep, and especially it's set in a laptop or tablet, the when plug in turn off, you can reduce your time, and 10 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever you like, you just set it. And when your PC is not used, it will be automatically going to sleep. Here is 30 minutes, you can reduce the time, you can make it 10 minutes or 15 minutes, whatever you like, what you need, just to do that. That's all. This for setting, very important for PC. Thank you very much for watching this video.